How to turn on or turn off Credential Exchange in developer settings on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Then on the home screen, tap on Settings. Now in the Settings page, we scroll down to the bottom and tap on Developer. Now if you do not have the developer option, you can tap on Privacy and Security, then scroll down to the bottom and tap on Developer Mode. In here, turn on Developer Mode. After that, we go back to Settings, then tap on Developer, and then we scroll down. Now in here, tap on Credential Exchange. Tap on the toggle button to turn it on or switch it off. In here it said enables the Credential Exchange API in the authentication services framework for apps on this device. And that's it. After that, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.